Hi friends, so today I am here with a new command, that is import range in Google Sheets. Earlier we combined different sheets from the same spreadsheet and dumped into the fourth sheet, but here I have created three different spreadsheets, that is cricket, badminton and hockey, and I wanted to copy the data from these three spreadsheets into another spreadsheet, and for that also I have created a new spreadsheet that is called combined data. And here, since I am going to use import range, so import range requires the sheet URL. So what is the sheet URL? Sheet URL is basically the unique URL of any URL. So this is the part, this is a spreadsheet, cricket spreadsheet, and this cricket spreadsheet having this URL, and this part which I am highlighting is required to import the data. So here you see this is the complete URL I have copied from here, and now go to the target sheet, that is combined data, and here I am using import range, and import range we need two parameters, one is spreadsheet URL and other is range string. So URL I have copied from cricket spreadsheet, it should be in double quotes, so I have copied it here like this, and then range should be in double quotes also, from this sheet of cricket spreadsheet. So this is the sheet 1. So here on this spreadsheet I will have to mention sheet 1 exclamatory sign, and the range is from A1 to D15. So this way my statement is completed, and see here, because this is A1 row and A1 is the header, and the last row is of this sheet is 15, that is D15. So this is the range. So on the combined data I will have to mention this and press enter. So this way this data is imported from cricket spreadsheet. Now so turn off the next spreadsheet. So next spreadsheet is badminton. So before importing the data from badminton sheet, I am going to copy this URL and preserve somewhere else so that later I can use it. So I am going to copy this, import range complete, copy it, and I am putting it here. So the entire formula is copied here. Now I am taking the data from badminton sheet. From badminton sheet I am not going to take the header this time. From badminton sheet, again the URL I have to select, this is the URL, so copy it here, and after copying this I'll have to replace this URL like this, and the range of this sheet is A2 to D6. A2 to D6 I will have to mention here, A2 to D6, and press enter. So this is also imported. So two sheets are imported here. So formula of these two sheets I am saving somewhere else in the same sheet like this. This is the second formula, and now I am importing the third range, and this is from hockey sheet. So the URL of hockey sheet is this, so I am going to copy it. So it is copied, and on target spreadsheet, here I will have to copy this URL here, and the range is, this is D11, A2 to D11, on target sheet A2 to D11, here this is, and press enter. So this is the third sheet. So again I'll have to copy this URL, I mean function, and copy it here. This is copied here, and this way I have imported all the sheets from different sheets. Now I'll have to merge these three sheets.